To fix the issue of a device being disconnected from the Glorious Model O software, start by searching for "Glorious Device is Disconnected" on Google. Scroll through the search results until you find a relevant website, specifically the one that mentions a solution for a device disconnected message. On this website, follow the provided instructions. The first step is to download a zipped firmware file, which can be accessed through a link on the website. Once downloaded, right-click on the file and extract it to a folder of your choice. To do this, go to your Downloads folder, right-click on the zipped file, and select Extract All, and then Extract. This will create a new, unzipped folder. Open the extracted folder and locate the Auto Online Upgrade file. Right-click on this file and run it as administrator, if you are using Windows. Select the file labeled Model D Disconnection Fix Update, and then choose the Auto Online Upgrade option. If you are using a Mac, select the Mac OS option instead. After running the file as administrator, an installation window will open. Allow this window to close on its own, and then wait for a message to appear. If the mouse stops working after the firmware update window closes, unplug it and plug it back into the same USB port. Then, start the Glorious software again, and it should now function properly. Note that if the installation and waiting screen take around 5 to 10 minutes, it may mean that the mouse already has the latest firmware update, in which case the issue should be resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the device disconnected issue and get the Glorious Model O software working again.